Hello everyone! Today we will talk about my favorite topic. May kilala ka bang ganyan magsalita? Parang wala, diba? Let's get ready to rumble! How y'all doing? My name is Ryan and I like to ramble about Filipino culture. So kung trip mo yan, please do consider subscribing. I post new videos every single Thursday. Pero bago natin pag-usapan yung video natin ngayon, stay till the end because I'll be announcing the winner of my Trese comic book giveaway. But today we're talking about accents. I talked a lot about Trese and the English dub and my opinion on their Filipino accents. You can check that out over here. Pero ngayon gusto kong pag-usapan kung ano nga ba yung Filipino accent.
Hello, welcome to the show. If you can see me, you know I'm here.
Just rub it everywhere, Jose. Rub it on the bottom of the foot. And then put a sock on the foot.
Dito sa Pilipinas, hindi natin iniisip masyado kasi lumalabas lang naman pag nag-i-English yung tao. Wala namang Filipino accent in Filipino. Kaya sa tingin ko, mas issue to para sa mga Filipino-American. Kaya masasabi ba natin na yung Jo Koy accent, yung Filipino accent, Filipino-American accent siya? Well, Dante Basco sounds like this.
I'm lucky to have fans, multi-generational fans.
Right?
And Manny Jacinto sounds like this.
Supporting the Asian American, Asian Canadian film community. I mean, it's important, it's vital.
Parang wala akong naririnig na Jo Koy accent. Kasi naman pag iniisip mo, sigurado akong may kilala kang kaklase mo nung grade school o high school na lumipat sa ibang bansa tapos bigla na nag-accent. Ang dali lang kasi ipulot to at parang kailangan mo naman siya gawin para maintindihan ka ng mga kaklase mo at hindi ka mabully.
I used to speak like this when I was very small. I learned English from my parents. But in grade 4, I learned to speak with a proper accent so that I could fit in and the kids wouldn't make fun of me.
So kung hindi nga to yung Filipino accent at hindi rin to yung Filipino-American accent, anong accent to? Handa ka na ba? Handa ka na ba sa sagot? Sa tingin ko, ito yung Filipino boomer accent. Ano? Tingin ko ito yung Filipino accent ng mga lola-lolo natin at yung mga mas matatanda pa sa kanila. Yung accent na ginagaya ni Jo Koy at iba pang mga komedyante, siguro napulot nila sa mga magulang nila. At dahil medyo matanda na si Jo Koy, mas matanda pa yung nanay niya. At hindi naman sobrang eksakto yung accent ng nanay niya sa accent na pinapakita niya sa mga comedy show niya. Kasi comedy nga siya. Sobrang exaggerated yung mga ginagawa niyang voices para laugh trip at kaya naman ang daming natatawa sa mga sinasabi niya. In reality, his mom sounds like this.
Joe is very animated with facial expression and the accents that he uses, especially if he's imitating me.
Mas malapit sa mga matatandang Filipino accent kumpara sa accent natin ngayon.
If you're on television and then they say, you're a singer, but can you act? You're an actress, can you sing? They make you do everything.
At parang mas malapit na sa Mexican accent.
So notice the difference between I need to have a perfect Mexican accent. I need to have a perfect Mexican accent.
Sa tingin ko kasi yung mga lolo-lola natin may konti pang Spanish influence sa kanilang pananalita. Pakinggan natin yung accent ng president nung teenager pa yung lola ko.
During the past half-century, the end of the third road had come.
Pero ngayon mas ganito na yung accent ng elected officials.
It was a few weeks before graduation. One morning, Mr. Robin showed up to chapel without his mustache, and half the school didn't recognize who he was.
So, anong nangyari mula noon hanggang ngayon? Bakit sobrang iba na ng Filipino accent? Maraming bagay. Filipino teachers were sent to America to learn how to teach English, and students were exposed to more English because of TV and eventually the internet. And of course, English became the language of education, the language of business. Basically, kung gusto mong umasenso sa buhay, kailangan mo matutong mag-English. Kaya naman yung mga magulang gustong-gusto nila na matutong mag-English na maayos yung bata nila. And today, modern Filipinos speak English like this.
I deserved an explanation. I deserved an acceptable reason.
Or this.
And what makes that story different from all your other stories before?
Paano kaya kung sinabi ni Catherine yung line na to gamit yung Jo Koy accent? And what makes that story different from all the other stories before? Parang may mali, no? Pero kung inisip mo kasi, ito naman yung Filipino accent na totoo para sa mga Phil-Am. Ganito siguro yung accent ng magulang nila. At yung English dub naman ng Trese ay ginawa talaga para sa mga Filipino Americans. Hindi naman para sa atin dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya ganito yung tunog ng ibang mga voice actor. Pero hindi naman lahat ganito. May mga ilang voice actor sa English dub ng Trese na accurate yung Filipino accent.
Her band of rebels had been murdering my men for months before we tracked her to their camp. Believed they could call on the powers of war itself.
Kaya naman may pag-asa ako at sana isang araw may accurate na Filipino accent sa Hollywood. Hindi perpekto yung Trese, but it's a good start.
Hello! Okay, it's time to announce the winner of the giveaway. But before we do that, gawin nating Trese theme tong background natin, diba? Yan! Okay, may Netflix logo pa. And flex ko lang pala itong green screen ko. It's connected to my chair. So ayan, may Mr. Muscle po tayo dito. Tagulang. And Shopee link in the description kung gusto mo rin ng green screen na ganito. Okay, ito na. So the winner of the Trese comic book is... Sino kaya? Sketchy Noy! Woo! Congrats, Sketchy Noy. I'll DM you on Instagram. Pero kung nanonood ka, comment ka lang. So, congrats for winning. I'll get in touch with you as soon as I can.
So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. I post new videos every single Thursday all about Filipino culture. And if you want to follow me on my socials, I'm on Instagram at _Ryan Rosella, or you can like my Facebook page at facebook.com/RyanRambles. Until next time, peace and I love y'all.